Hey, good morning, everybody. So we're on lesson 15-6 today. uh, I have the number right today. I accidentally wrote the wrong one yesterday. So anyways, today we're making and testing generalizations. Generalizations are saying, hey, in general, this is usually the case. So if I said in general, everybody likes pizza, it's pretty true. But if we took 100% of the population, maybe there's 2% of the population that don't like some type of pizza. So that's kind of the example I always use in class, but sometimes I'm wrong. So anyways, number one on guided practice, this is located on page 356 in your book. You have a statement for number one that says, all right triangles are scalene triangles. And the directions ask you to state whether that generalization is correct or incorrect. So this particular generalization is incorrect. So you have to look back in your notes and you have to think, okay, all right triangles are scalene triangles. So a right triangle has a 90-degree angle. Down below on the bottom, you see two right triangles with the little mark down below. But it says they're all scalene triangles. So I gave an example of one scalene triangle that has all sides with 2 units. Now, to the right, you're going to see a right triangle with the side of 16 inches, 13 inches, or units, and 15 units. So they're not the different lengths. So that generalization is not correct. Yes, you can make a right triangle with 2 equal units, but not all of them have it. Okay, I'm going to pause here and give another example. Okay, last problem we're going over together. Number 2, unguided practice. So you have the generalization statement written down. Two congruent equilateral triangles can be joined together to make a rhombus. So the hit with this lesson, you have some math vocabulary words. So number 2, we have the word congruent, the word equilateral triangles, the word rhombus. Okay, so I wrote those words down. Congruent, same size, same shape. Equilateral triangle, all sides the same length. And rhombus, a parallelogram, all sides are the same length. So I drew some different examples of triangles, equilateral, all sides the same length, orientated, which means situated differently on the whiteboard. And you'll see that if we combined all of those together, they would make a rhombus, which is a parallelogram with 2 equal sides. So think if we took those pieces that they were blocks and we connected them, they would still be rhombuses. So that generalization is actually true for number 2. As you work through the lesson today, this is not the best teacher advice. Use Google, look up the terms if you have a question. Look in the glossary in your math book. That's some better teacher advice, but it's okay to search the terms and find what they mean. And you have your notes that you've taken too. So good luck with lesson 15-6. Tomorrow you're going to take the topic test on 15. You can do the reteaching if you want. I didn't assign that. I want us to kind of make sure we get everything, not kind of, I want us to make sure we get everything done with math by the end of the school year, which is coming up pretty quickly in less than 3 weeks. All right, have a good day, everybody. Have fun with 15-6. Make sure to really work on understanding the vocabulary. That's what's gonna help you through math in the next years. Instead of just breezing through it, writing true or false, think about the vocabulary, write it down, research it, memorize it. All right, have a great day, everybody. I'll post a video probably either tomorrow or Thursday for 16-1.